These days are really very hazardous if you are not cautious about your money. If you simply keep your money in the bank, then inflation is there to wipe it off. Sir Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the bestseller book Rich Dad Poor Dad, always suggests the people to invest the money in the growing assets instead of keeping it in bank. Thus, in this video we will be telling you the 10 assets in which you must invest to grow your money and become rich in the future years very quickly. So let's start. 1. Value stocks. Value stocks are investments that are sometimes viewed negatively by investors, which decreases their price. As a result, their share price is generally low. Value stocks, however, may be purchased for a discount and, if you're patient, might provide a substantial profit in coming years. 2. Cryptocurrency. Amongst those most popular investments over the past few years has been cryptocurrency, mainly because of the price volatility. Because market demand and supply, as well as public interest, have a role in coin values, they frequently change drastically. The high risks and possibility for enormous gains from extremely small investments have led to the rise in popularity of making investments in cryptocurrencies. For many years, Robert Kiyosaki has been supporting cryptocurrencies loudly. He has asserted that he views Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and believes it has the potential to replace traditional currencies all around the world. You may invest in cryptocurrency as you see its trend increasing. If you are new to our channel, you may consider subscribing our channel for more investment tips. 3. Small cap stocks. Shares of a publicly traded business with an average market value of between $500 million and $1 billion are commonly referred to as small cap stocks. Of the three market capitalizations, small, mid-size, and large, small cap is the lowest. Investors in small cap stocks usually speculate on the future prosperity of the company being traded. Although these businesses often start from a greater basis, a large cap offering is one with a valuation in excess of $10 billion. As a result, in comparison to younger businesses, their development tends to be a little slower. A large cap firm, for instance, might not see 300% increase in a single year, but it does not indicate they won't have considerable growth. Small cap stocks usually symbolize investments in newly established companies. Robert Kiyosaki said that the ideal strategy to increase your money is through small cap stocks. They are the shares of mini businesses that are only now beginning to expand. 4. Dividend stock funds. Mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, called dividend stock funds, invest in dividend-paying shares. With the help of these funds, you may widen your holdings while minimizing your reliance on any one corporation. When you invest in a dividend fund, you assume on the long-term success of the firms that make up the fund. If you make wise decisions, you may get cash payments once every 3 months. 5. Growth stocks. The notion of growth stock refers to investments in businesses that have the potential to develop more promptly than the marketplace as a whole. Growth stocks are frequently issued through companies that reinvest the money they make back into the company's activities and, as a result, fail to pay out dividends. Growth stocks are a widespread investment method in markets that are bearish. Growth stocks are appealing as they frequently produce profits, which allow you to get back your investment when you sell the company's shares in the future. When you buy in growth-oriented companies, you are making a wager on the theory that an organization is cheap and will ultimately become rewarded more money. Growth stock investment is encouraged by Robert Kiyosaki. He thinks that compared to other stock classes, growth stocks have a higher potential for growth. 6. Real estate investment trusts or REITs. Real estate investing is a long-term investment that needs additional funds up front. The opportunity for big profits, however, maintains real estate as one of among the most exciting assets. To make investments in real estate, one does not have to be very wealthy. You may obtain a loan from your bank and repay it gradually if you'd like to make investments in real estate. REITs, according to Robert Kiyosaki, are an excellent method to invest in real estate without having to purchase and manage buildings yourself. They are real estate equivalents of mutual funds. 7. S&P 500 Index Fund. When you buy in the S&P 500, you are buying shares in the 500 greatest firms in the world according to by the value of their market caps. You could have a higher chance of long-term financial success as a consequence. By investing in the S&P 500, you're establishing a wide net and effectively branching out your investment portfolio since you're taking shares in 500 various companies. The S&P 500 has typically returned around 10% annually over the long run, according to Robert Kiyosaki. This indicates that if you invest in the S&P 500, your money will become double in the next 7 years. 8. Roth IRA. Roth IRAs are maybe the most excellent available choice for individuals when it regards saving for retirement. You are able to expand the money you have saved for retirement over time with a Roth IRA, just like you can with an ordinary IRA. With a Roth IRA, you can take out your money tax-free when you've decided to retire, which is how they distinguish themselves from common IRAs. Roth IRA investments are recommended by Robert Kiyosaki. Considering that you pay taxes on your contributions now but not on your withdrawals in retirement, he thinks Roth IRAs are a wise choice for retirement savings. 9. Fixed annuities. With fixed annuity contracts, you may make an advance payment and get a particular sum of money in exchange. You are able to forecast how much money you will get because fixed annuities have fixed prices for interest and a fixed rate of return. Due to their predictable nature and the fact that their income is not impacted by market fluctuations, fixed annuities can be considered the investment options with the least amount of risk. 10. Money market mutual funds. One of the investments with a minimal risks is often a money market mutual funds. They're a specific class of fixed income mutual funds that make investments in debt instruments with minimal to no risk associated with credit. These kinds of investments are often regarded as safer since the debt instruments they acquire must adhere to oversight requirements, which means they must comply with a specific standard of quality, liquidity, as well as maturity. 11. Corporate bonds. Corporate bonds are frequently issued by profitable companies and have a high payout on their dividends. Compared to equities, corporate bond rates have been projected to be a safer investment in 2023 as they are close to their all-time highs. By purchasing a corporate bond, you are successfully positioning an investment that a company that is profitable will remain profitable. That's all for this video. Now you know Robert Kiyosaki's suggested all the best investments which you must make in 2023 to get rich. If you are new to our channel and loved watching the video, then please subscribe our channel. One subscribe motivates us to make more new financial videos. Also don't forget to hit the like button. We have also discussed one extra investment for your betterment in this video. Share this video with your close friends and also let me know in the comments that how was your experience watching the video. Thank you for watching.